Being a volunteer in a European Solidarity Corps project has taught me how to cherish teamwork, how to plan quality activities for kids and parents, and how to work in an intercultural setting.
Not only that the volunteers and the children actively participated, but the parents were even more involved and had fun on their own in creating these little works of art that we created. It was challenging sometimes because you don't really think about how much thought needs to go into organizing a quality and a good free time activity for children. So this is something that I think I really learned here and that I really gained new skills.
It was warm weather outside and everybody was playing all around. We were doing things together like sports activities, some games. And my best part of all of that was that everybody were enjoying and everybody were participating, even the shy kids, even the big ones that were ashamed to play with us, but at the end they did. Moms were involved, dads were involved, so everybody together, nobody was on their phones. So yeah, that was my best activity.
Volunteering on this project gave me hope that good people still exist and that these good people will always create a space for children to laugh, to play, to create, to develop, to learn, and to feel safe.
When we for the first time met each other and the kids were very super happy and excited. We were playing together and drawing on the paper and doing a lot of things. It was a really very warm space and place gathering together. And I'm really very grateful because I was part of this project. Thank you.